The silent symphony of the sun. Imagine a world where the sun doesn't just shine, it sings. Yes, the sun makes a sound, a cosmic symphony unheard by human ears. Beneath its blazing glory, the sun's surface is alive with turbulent magnetic fields and plasma, creating ripples and vibrations akin to sound waves. These solar sounds are not audible to us due to the vast vacuum of space that separates Earth from the sun. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. With specialized instruments, scientists have captured these vibrations, allowing us to listen to the sun. It's a deep, resonant hum, more felt than heard. The sun's sounds hold clues to its inner workings, its pulsations offering insights into its fiery heart and magnetic storms. Understanding these solar harmonies helps predict space weather, crucial for safeguarding our satellites and power grids from solar storms. So, next time you bask in the sunlight, remember, there's an unseen, unheard symphony playing, a testament to the sun's hidden depths.